The Meditative Wearable Breast Pump comes with a main breast pump unit, extra spare parts for future use, Type-C USB cable, an extra 21 mm flange, and a user manual. There is a sticker on the plastic case of the breast pump on instructions for starting the pump. Please read these carefully. Now open the box. There is a bra strap also which can be used to hold the pump inside the bra. For assembling and disassembling the breast pump, let us first understand about the different parts of the pump. The motor is connected on the upper side of the pump. You can remove the motor from the top of the pump by simply pulling it. There is a 24 mm breast shield which should fit on the outside of the milk storage cup. There is a linker inside this milk storage cup which has a valve at the bottom. Take out that valve and then remove the linker by easily pulling it. Now here is the complete accessories of Meditative Wearable Breast Pump. You can refer to this diagram of how to measure the correct flange size. Now take the linker and fit the diaphragm on it properly. To fit the linker into the milk collector, there is a slot available for that. Just fit this linker in this slot and make sure that is properly fitted from the upper. Now fit this valve properly under the linker. You can also fit the valve to this linker before inserting it into the cup. Now fit the breast shield in the cup properly, and please ensure that the cutout in the breast shield align with cutout given in the milk storage cup. After that, take the motor and fit it on the top of the cup properly. To start the pump, there is a power button. Press it for 3 seconds and then the pump will start. Use the same button for mode changing also. To change the modes, just single click on this button. When you start the pump, some icons will appear on the display. On the top there is battery icon. In the middle the timer will start, and just next to the timer that will show the intensity level. Just on the timer there will be L or R icons which indicates the breast side you have selected. There are L/R button is given on the display for selecting the left and right breast side, and there is a pause and play button for convenience, minus button for decrease the intensity level, and plus button for increase the intensity level. This Meditative Wearable Breast Pump comes with 4 modes, and each mode has 9 intensity levels. The first mode is massage mode, which will be indicated by a single drop icon. This mode helps to massage the breasts and is generally used before the actual suction mode so that it is easier to pump milk during suction mode. Second mode is normal suck mode, which will be indicated by 2 drop icons. When you select this mode, the suction will happen at the constant speed that you have selected. The third mode is mix mode, which will be indicated by this graph icon. When you select this mode, in one cycle, first weak sucking and releasing will happen 4 times, and then strong sucking and releasing will happen 2 times. The fourth mode is continuous suck mode, which will be indicated by a drop with vibrating lines icon. In this mode, one cycle includes sucking, then pausing, and then sucking again. To use this flange, just insert this flange into the breast shield and fit it properly. There is an extra ring which is installed at the bottom of the motor which helps it to fit properly to the cup. After the pumping session is over, milk will be collected in the storage cup. To pour the milk into the bottle, first remove the motor and then pour the milk into the bottle through the hole provided in the cup.